Alright, we're on the second warm-up cycle. Calvin, check the water. Nice and warm. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Getting there, getting there. Water temperature's getting up. Being at the lakes. I was blessed with this ski, man. I paid $9,000 for this water ski. JL audio with the tune, with the prop. $9,000 for this 2021 Yamaha FX HO. With the trailer, it was like almost $11,000. It was like $10,500. You can't beat that. You know what I mean? And now this is Yamaha's heaviest platform. It's not supercharged, so I get about 62 miles per hour at 8,200 RPM, which is not bad. Will I win any races? No, but I bought this ski for adventures. As you can see, it has the Garmin attachment. Because this is the Garmin right here, unit right here. So I fish off this ski. I do rescues. You know, I've got rescues with this attachment here, and I pulled a sinking jet ski and pulled him back. I got this platform for cruising, having fun, hanging out on the beach, working on an umbrella. And I got my fishing rod holders. So I didn't necessarily buy this ski to go 80, 90 miles per hour. Also, the gas mileage is amazing. I get about 105 miles on the lake. And that's running about 50, 60 miles per hour. So with all that said, this is Yamaha FXHO, codenamed the Goblin. Getting ready for the season. Great Jane Power out. Hello, y'all.